Hannity, and breaking tonight, a reckoning and political earthquake now underway in the Washington, D.C. swamp. The FBI Director Kash Patel will join us in just a moment to break it all down, because right now, as we speak, the truth is more obvious than ever. Democrats, deep state operatives in both the Obama and Biden administration, in their DOJs, their FBIs, people in our intelligence agencies. In other words, deep state operatives, as we have been telling you about all these years, absolutely tried, absolutely failed to, quote, remake our great republic, our constitutional republic, into something truly Orwellian. The damage is incalculable, and now, thankfully, it is all being exposed, and now it will be corrected.